Welcome back to the Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to see who viewed your post on Instagram step by step. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all your posts. Step 3. Find and tap on the post you want to check. This will open the post in full view. Step 4. Tap on the View Insights option just below the post. If you don't see this option, it might be because your account is not set to a professional account. You can switch to a professional account in the settings to access insights. Step 5. Once you tap View Insights, you'll see a detailed overview of your post's performance. This includes the number of accounts reached, accounts engaged, likes, comments, shares, and saves. However, Instagram does not show a list of individual users who viewed your post. You can only see detailed viewer information for Instagram stories and reels. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Instagram post insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.